Hey, my name's Anthony Carver, and this is my bike check. Alright, I'm gonna start out with the bars. I got perfect 10 bars, S&M. I got FBM nice forks. I got the Primo front rim with the Primo spokes and the Primo hub, which is old as fuck. I got the Colt OS frame, the Sunday top load stem. Got animal grips, S&M bar ends. I got thick cranks with the Colony sprocket, 30 tooth, the Shadow half link chain. I got the Shadow back rim with the Primo spokes and the Primo hub, 8 tooth right hand drive. I got the Federal seat and seat post animal wedge. I got the Shadow plastic PVC pedals. I have Shadow pegs, and I got Animal GLH tires, and it's my bike check.